Hello, greetings of the day. I am Joseph at 𝗕𝗵𝗂𝗁𝗍𝗏. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this review of the 12-minute affiliate marketing system. In this review, I will walk you through the sales page, the offer page or the order page, and finally the members area of 12-minute affiliate marketing system. In a nutshell, the 12-minute affiliate marketing system is a done-for-you affiliate marketing system, precisely an email marketing system. It is created by Devon Brown, who is a well-known internet entrepreneur, a blogger, a success coach, a speaker, MC, and a hip-hop dancer. This you can always find and search in the Google. Besides this, he is a super coach that I can tell you out of my personal experience. If that interests you, please stay on. Now, before heading straight away to the sales page, I want to show you the bonuses that I have for you in offer. Now, these bonuses I have specially designed for those people who are interested in affiliate marketing or are in an intermediate position. The 12-minute affiliate system concentrates on ClickBank products, and ClickBank is a well-known affiliate marketing platform. There is no doubt about its legitimacy. Now, the first three bonuses that I am offering aims to improve your affiliate marketing knowledge and skills. Teaches you how to choose a product, what are the things you need to consider to choose a product, how you can market a product, what are the things you need to see in the JV pages, etc., etc., and ultimately how to create the marketing funnel. My first bonus would be the affiliate commission formula, the second one being the affiliate marketing blueprint, which helps you to know the path you should follow. Now, this is, though I said it is for the beginners, but it is also for those people who are intermediate and may not have got much success in this business. So this will be a real help for you. And my third affiliate bonus is the affiliate marketing secrets. Apart from this, I am offering you a free affiliate PDF brander software. Now, we all know, those who are into marketing, that we need PDFs. We need PDF creators. We need to send documents about the product to our consumers, to our customers. And the best way is ebooks. This software helps you in doing that. Now, let us head straight away to the sales page. This is the sales page of the 12-minute affiliate marketing system, 12MA, if you can call it in short. Devon Brown in this video introduces the 12-minute affiliate system to the story of how a 64-year-old grandmother started earning income. So, if a 64-year-old grandmother can do it, why can't you? If we go ahead in this review, we'll find the testimonials of all those people who have undergone this course or taken up this course and their first income. You can have a good read through about it. There is no doubt, as I said earlier, that Devon Brown is a great coach and a teacher. Going ahead, you need to submit your email address and name to go to the orders page. Here you can order the product. Now, a few things I want to notify to you over here. Basically, there are two types of memberships. One is the basic level, one is the gold level. The basic level consists of only one niche and the gold level consists of three niches. What are those three niches? First one is the home business, second one is weight loss, and the third one is personal development. Now for the basic level, you have to choose any one of these. For the gold level, you will have all these three niches. 12-minute affiliate is a plug and play affiliate marketing system. The basic will give you 10 full ready to go affiliate funnels, and the gold level will give you 30 because it has three niches. The basic level will give you 80 professional done for you follow-up mails or messages, and the gold level will give you 80 into 3, that is 240 professional done for you follow-up messages. Apart from this, you will get access to the inner circle, which is actually a Facebook group which Devon Brown has created specifically for those people who have enrolled for the 12-minute affiliate program. Now there is a instant pizza traffic solution that they are called. It is a traffic solution which comes inside the course. Of course, it is a paid traffic solution, really a good niche specific traffic, but Devon Brown never guarantees any sale for that. But I can tell you out of personal experience, it's a niche specific traffic that you get, and for better things you need to pay more, so the price is on the higher side. Apart from this, you get 4 bonuses. The first one is 2 times your follow-up messages. Second one is personal development or success library that you get, which is inside the course. Third one is 16 free traffic tactic e-courses. There are some courses, e-courses, e-books that are inside the course which help you to build different methods of traffic, organic traffic. And fourth one is done for you hot product promos. So this is the product. Apart from this, I want to notify you that it comes with a 60-day money back guarantee, which is really satisfactory. You have ample time to test the product to see whether it works for you. If it doesn't, you are in a risk-free zone. Both the basic plan and the gold plan, you can test drive for 14 days and with just $9.95. After this, the basic plan would be $47 per month, and the gold membership plan would be $97 per month. You can also go in for the lifetime membership, which is a one-time payment of $397 in case of basic membership, and in case of gold membership it is $797. Apart from this, there is nothing much more to discuss over here. You would straight away go to the members area where I would show you all these features in action. If you are interested to buy this product, however, you need to click on this link, buy now link, and go ahead with your purchase. Now here I am into the 12-minute affiliate membership area. The moment you buy the product, you will get a welcome email from Devon Brown, and the login credentials will be provided to you, and you can log in to this area. Now this is a well designed course according to me, and very well formulated. First of all, when you log in, you need to complete the 6 steps within the first 72 hours. And if you do it, there is a surprise waiting for you. And what is the surprise? A free vacation giveaway, which can be claimed, I think, in the next few months according to your holiday schedules. Of course, there are some terms and conditions which you need to follow that needs to be discussed later on. But every person who qualifies, that means completes these 6 steps within 72 hours, is eligible for this free giveaway vacation. And the locations for this exotic vacation are Cancun, Orlando, Las Vegas, Williamsburg, Phuket, etc. Now moving ahead with this members area, after you complete these 6 steps, of course, one thing let me tell you, that Devon Brown does not leave his students just like that. If you are unable to complete the 6 steps and qualify within the 72 hours, you can always call on the helpline, and their representatives will help you to complete, and they will do it for you so that you may be eligible for this vacation. The second step is step-by-step checklist where you need to order traffic to your system. Of course, you must make one order, and after that it's left to your discretion whether you want to go ahead with this traffic ordering system or any other alternatives. Apart from that, you are supposed to join the 12-minute affiliate insiders Facebook group. There he conducts meetings, trainings from time to time. There are contests, and it is a very engaging and knowledge sharing group. It exactly guides you on what you have to do on a step-by-step basis, and it tells you that Rome was not built on a single day. So don't expect the results to just come like that. It will take time, according to Devon Brown. So next, in the members area, you find a coaching option where you can get one-on-one coaching. Of course, it does come at a price of $297 one-time price, and you get 1 hour coaching session one-on-one for 3 personalized sessions. And these are not so important. Next, we move on to the niche funnels. There are basically, as I said, 3 niches. One is the home business, second is the weight loss, third one is the personal development. I'll show you just once the 80 email messages and the 10 funnels that are built in. You can find the 10 funnels over here, instant funnels, exactly over here, 1 to 10. You can not only find them, but you can also view or edit the funnel. By the way, these are all Devon Brown's proven funnels which he has made profit with, and he is giving away his knowledge and his sales funnel to you for making profits. So it's completely a great resource which you can use. Of course, still if you want to make certain changes to it, you can click the view or edit funnel button and make those changes. So it contains a opt-in page, a bridge page, and finally when you click yes, I am ready, it will take your customers to the final product page. Another thing I wanted to show you is that it also has the custom funnels where you have templates, built-in templates, and you can promote other products, other ClickBank products. Let me specifically say ClickBank products, and you can select the template from here and create your own funnel. It's very easy to do. Similarly for the weight loss niche and the personal development niche, I'm not going into detail for that. I hope you got it. Regarding the done for you traffic, as I said, these are really very niche specific traffic, and to my personal experience I can say that this really help you a lot, but I can tell you that the price is higher than the normal solo ads or other traffic sources that we generally undertake. Devon does not leave you like that. He also tells you how to get other traffic sources by providing ebooks. You can download this ebook completely free, and you can get this knowledge which he has gained, and that will help you to develop organic traffic. Apart from this, there are autoresponders which need to be connected. Personally, he would suggest Aweber as the default autoresponder, but if you have MailChimp or GetResponse, those can also be linked to the funnels. In the My Domain section, he has not yet done it. The resources section is very helpful. Devon has put up a great show by putting up these how-to trainings, and he has really shared all his knowledge in this. In the team training replace, he conducts team trainings sometimes monthly, sometimes bi-monthly, and all the trainings are put up over here, and you can watch these trainings and learn from them. Excellent education center he has provided. Email swipes, all these 240 emails, 80 for each niche, valued at 3200, are shared with you, and you can easily download them as per the specific niche. Very transparent system according to me. He has also provided a tutorial of how to integrate different autoresponders like MailChimp, GetResponse, and these are really very helpful if you get stuck somewhere. Apart from this, I would say the support system is terrific. The resource section itself, the FAQ section over here, and the support system where you can contact the support system and get help from them, or docket a ticket to get help from them. Apart from this, he gives a lot of resources in the personal development library where you can learn them and grow your knowledge regarding the different aspects of affiliate marketing. In the last section, the top of affiliate products, all the products that have been promoted, these are all ClickBank products, have been listed over here, and these are the products that have been promoted by Devon Brown in those 10 listed products. FAQ, as I said, you can learn the answers to the frequently asked questions and the contacts where you can click and contact the support team or can call them at that specific number. Now a final few words, I won't take much of your time. The pros and cons of 12-minute affiliate marketing system. According to me, first pro is a very helpful and assistive coach. It's totally done for you. Affiliate marketing funnels, which especially helps the beginners, and not only the beginners, also those who are intermediate to get going. Extremely helpful emails and proven emails for success, which Devon himself has gained success, and gives you a high chance of success in this affiliate marketing program. Thirdly, the 60-day money back guarantee offer really is a satisfactory offer according to me, since you can always test the product and you have ample time to see whether it works for you. If it doesn't, you can always get your money back. It's a risk-free investment. The cons, I would say, the name in itself, the 12-minute affiliate marketing system, gives you a wrong impression that things might work fast, but it is not so. Devon himself says that it takes time because it's an email marketing system and they say that money is in the list. So it takes time to build that audience, to get their trust and to deliver the products. Apart from this, I don't find any cons. My suggestion would be go ahead for the gold level plan membership, and for 2 months you have ample time to test Devon Brown, test 12-minute affiliate, check for it, see for yourself whether this works for you or not, and if it works, you can always upgrade to the higher level. Wishing you all the best in your purchase. If you decide to go ahead with the purchase, please click on the link below and given in the description, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give your comments so that I can bring you better products. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and bye.